How to make money online. This method explained under 3 minutes. First, go to website like Fiverr or any freelancing website and find any gigs about writing articles or blog posts. This method can be done by anyone, any part of the country or any part of the world. English doesn't need to be in the first language because I'm going to show you a website that's going to write an article for you. So watch the video until the end. Create a gig on Fiverr. That you can see here up to 1,000 words. This person charging somewhere like $20. So after Fiverr's 20% goes, that you can make something like 16 to 15 dollars in your bank account for one articles, but you don't have to write anything. There are two websites that you can do. The first website is called Use AI. All you have to do is put the seed keyword that you want to target, and it will bring all the surrounding topic title, but it is useful for your own website. But if then a customer give you any title or for the blog post or article, all you have to do is put the title and article here. If when a customer give you a topic title, just put that on a search engine. Don't worry about it. Just put the title, copy and paste the title on here and click generate. That's it, guys, and it will take 2 minutes to generate an article or blog post for you. At the same time, if you go to a website like Jasper AI, go and watch my old videos. It's an AI that's going to write an article with the topic that you are giving. So you give a command, topic title and everything, and you give a command what kind of things you want included in this article, and click compose, and it will generate entire articles. With this method, English doesn't have to be a first language, and you can do it from any part of the world. Yes, this two websites will going to cost you money, but you can make more 3 or 4 times more whatever you're spending on. If you want to try use AI, just there's a link in the description. Click that, get a 50% off using my code BFree50. There's a code and the link in the description. If you refresh the page, I think my article should be ready by now. There you go. This is my articles. Click and open this article. Introduction, basic subheadings. You can see pictures. Everything is added automatically here. All you have to do is copy this article and send it to the customer, guys. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and share. See you on next video.